welcome back to my channel. And before I get started with this video, make sure you like and subscribe and comment any dares that you have in mind. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my 2 favorite slimes. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so my first one, it's called Gorilla. Because it literally looks like Gorilla. It's green, like it's a dark green with blue sparkles. So yeah, I kind of named it throughout, so that's basically, The reason why I like it is because it's really, it cracks a lot. And it's tiny, I can bring it to school. And it's really stretchy. And it's kind of like putty. It starts fall far without breaking. So kind of like putty. Yeah, that's the first one. It's called Grow. The second one, the last one, is this one. It's called Citrus Pop. It's orange with foam beads in it. The reason why I like this one, because it has foam beads in it. That's why I put pop into it. And because it's stretchy and it makes good sounds. And I like some really good. And yeah. So yeah, that is the Citrus Pop. And yeah, that is it for the video. I decided to do a short one because I'm leaving soon because I have softball practice. So yeah, well, before I leave and I cancel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment to my channels and turn on the notification so you get when I post a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye.